चाचा नेहरू का बच्चों से बहुत पुराना नाता, जन्म दिवस चाचा नेहरू का बाल दिवस कहलाता। चाचा नेहरू का बच्चों से बहुत पुराना।
Every child is a different flower, and all together make this a world of beautiful garden. Good afternoon to the teachers and my dear fellow friends. Today, I, Vinayak Anand Pant of class 8th, I am here to represent my views on this auspicious occasion of Children's Day. Children's Day is the one of the special days in India, as it is marks the birth anniversary of India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was so fond of kids. So in 1964, after his death, the Indian Parliament passed a resolution that November 14 will be marked as Children's Day. This year will be celebrating his 132nd birth anniversary. The great leader of India was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad to the famous lawyer Mr. Motilal Nehru and Mrs. Swaroop Rani. He got his education from England in addition to being a freedom fighter, poet, an author, and a nationalist. He was also a great orator. His extremely famous speech, Tryst with Destiny, won over 1 million people of hearts. The life led by leader was not short than an inspiration. According to Pandit Nehru, children are the bright future of the country. Only by the right education, care, and progress we can give them a new life. Therefore, we worked so much for the education, progress, well-being, and welfare of children as well as youngsters of India. He had established the various educational institutes such as Institute of Technology, All India Institute of Medical Science, and Indian Institute of Management. Free primary education, free meals, including milk, were provided to the school children in order to prevent children from malnutrition in India. Children also reciprocated their affection for him and used to call him Chacha Nehru. Once he said, the children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way they bring them up will determine the future of the country. So this Children's Day, let's pledge to ensure that every child in this country enjoy equal rights, safety, and education. Therefore, I would like to conclude by conveying my warmest wishes on Children's Day. Let's celebrate the day with happiness and enjoy the gift of childhood, since we are the future leaders of India. So let us collaborate to perform our responsibility of making a beautiful society, a better nation. Thank you, everybody, for giving your precious time and hearing my speech. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Anusha and today I'm here to reflect some of my thoughts and probably inspire you. So let's begin. First of all, I'm gonna share one of my most favorite stories of all time. It's titled The Frog Story. This story begins with a small question. And I'm going to ask you this particular question. So there are 5 frogs which are sitting on a lily pad, and one of them decides to jump off from that lily pad into the pond. Right? So now my question is, if you can tell me how many of those frogs are still sitting on the lily pad. I'll give you a moment to think about it and then you can tell. Namya, can you tell me?
Can you please repeat the question?
I want to ask how many of those frogs are still sitting on the lily pad if one of the frog decides to jump off from the lily pad into the pond.
5 frogs because he decided to jump. He didn't jump from it.
Yeah, correct. So yes, your answer is correct. Knowing is knowing only, and doing is doing only. So just relate this scenario to we waking up in the morning and saying that yeah, today I'm gonna clean my cupboard, but do I actually do it? No. Again, knowing is knowing, doing is doing. Knowing will just remain knowing your dream, but doing proves that your knowing was right. So now all of you must be having a lot of dreams. Everyone have it. Let me tell you that a survey was conducted by a university to check how many people have written their dreams, and the result is very shocking. Only 3% of people have written their dreams, and those 3% of people were more successful than those of 97% of people. Have you guys written your dreams? Tell me in the chat box. Now, I have a question for you guys. That do you know who Colonel Sanders is? Anyone? Just you can tell me if you know who Colonel Sanders is.
What's the name?
Colonel Sanders. Anyone? Okay, I think let me tell you then. So yes, so he's the founder of KFC, which is now one of the biggest brand in the world. But did you know the struggle Colonel Sanders had to face before all this? Yes, struggle. Despite of being rejected by over 1,000 restaurants, he did not give up hope at the end. Look what happened. There are three types of people. One who just give up after one try. Second, who keeps on trying and trying. Third, who thinks there are no failures, they're just feedbacks. To tell me from which category you belong to in the chat box. Now I'm gonna sing you an inspiring song by Selena Gomez, which literally says that you could do anything you wish to. You're not less beautiful, you're just beautiful the way you are. Apparently, this song is called Who Says?
I have listened that song.
Oh yeah, that's great.
That's so good.
I wouldn't wanna be anybody else. Hey, you made me insecure. Told me I wasn't good enough. But who are you to judge when you're a diamond in the rough? I'm sure you got some things you like to change about yourself. But when it comes to me, I wouldn't wanna be anybody else. I'm no beauty queen, I'm just beautiful me. You've got every right to a beautiful life. Come on, who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it? Who says you're the only one that's hurting? Trust me, that's the price of beauty. Who says you're not pretty? Who says you're not beautiful? Who said? Hey, it's such a funny thing how nothing's funny when it's you. You tell me what you mean, but they keep writing out the truth. It's like the work of art that never gets to see the light. Keep you beneath the stars, won't let you touch the sky. I'm no beauty queen, I'm just beautiful me. You've got every right to a beautiful life. Come on, who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it? Who says you're the only one that's hurting? Trust me, that's the price of beauty. Who says you're not pretty? Who says you're not beautiful? Who says you're not star potential? Who says you're not presidential? Who says you can be in movies? Listen to me, listen to me. Who says you don't pass the test? Who says you can be the best? Who said? Would you tell me who said that? Yeah, who said? Who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it? Who says you're the
Good morning, everyone. First, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Today, I am sharing with you some few words on Children's Day. My name is Manasvi Kumari from class 7th F. Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November every year. In India, it is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji. Pandit Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much. He compared children with birds of flower. Children fondly called him Chacha Nehru. Children's Day is a very happy day for children. It is also called Bal Divas. On this day, school and colleges organize various events like dance, drama, music, speech, essay writing, etc. Competitions for children. Children take part in these activities and enjoy it. Sweets, books, and gifts are distributed by the school to each and every child. Many kinds of programs are also conducted on social media which guides to children. Children's Day is a great day to take forward Nehru dreams in the education of the children so that they can be valuable citizens of the nation. Thank you. And now I'm sharing with you a poem in Hindi on Children's Day. चाचा नेहरू के बच्चों से है बड़ा पुराना नाता, जन्म दिवस चाचा नेहरू का बाल दिवस कहलाता। चाचा नेहरू ने देखे थे नव भारत के सपने, सपने पूरे कर सकते हैं हम उनके बच्चे अपने। हम सब बच्चे मिलकर गीत खुशी के गाते, चाचा नेहरू के चरणों में श्रद्धा सुमन चढ़ाते। शालाओं में भी होने नए नए आयोजन, जिन्हें देख आनंदित होते हम बच्चे होते तन मन। बाल दिवस के इस अवसर पर एक शपथ यह खाओ, उच्च नीच का भेद भुलाकर सबको मान लगाओ, गले लगाओ। थैंक यू मैम।
My name is Karan Shukla. I read in class 7th F. I am present by drawing. I am presenting on drawing of Children Day. On Children Day.
Yes, show us.
My name is Namya. I am from 7th F. I'm ready to present my idea. My topic is my parents. We have a lot of heroes, but the most important hero to me would be my mom and dad. They always there for me whenever I need them. When I am sick, they make me smile, and that always makes me feel better. My parents are very caring, and their main priority is taking care of my brothers and me. They are there to support me 24 into 7, no matter what it is. Let's start with my mom. She is great. My mom is always happy. She can put a smile on anyone's face. She also will never let you down. If she says something, she sticks with it. She is very responsible and outgoing. She comes up with great plans to make the day perfect. She always makes things crazy too. Now, my dad. He is, well, let's just say the best dad you could ever have. He is very smart. That comes in handy to me when it is mechanical things which I am horrible at. He is also very encouraging. He also knows that everything what I want, he bring me for all this. I can always use a kick in the butt. He always works very hard. Now, for both, my mom and dad are very outgoing people. They have many priorities. They are always up to something, and it always involves hard work. And most of the times, they always gets it done. My mom and dad are my heroes because my dad is my inspiration, and also my mom is my best friend. They never let me down, and they are always there for me. They both know that nothing could change the way they are. They also know that when to tell me if I am doing something wrong, which is a huge plus. They are my friends and also my parents. But with that, I have no choice. I would not change that ever. That they will always be my mommy and daddy. This is why my parents are my heroes, and they always will be. Now I will recite a poem in front of you. Thanks, Mom. Thanks, Dad. Three small words. So much to add for all your love and your support. A million words would be too short. The words I love you seem too few to express the love I have for you. Thank you.
Morning everyone, I am Asriya Sinha. Today I am present speech on topic Children's Day.
First, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Children's Day is a celebrate on 14 November every year in India. It is a birth anniversary. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children with a birth of flower. Children fondly called him a Chacha's Nehru. Children's Day is a very happy day for children. It is also called Bal Divas. On this day, school and college organize various events like dance, drama, music, speech, essay writing, etc. Competition for children. Children take a part in these activities, invite sweet books and gifts distributed by the school to each and every child. Many kind of programs are also conducted on social media, which guidance the children. Children say it's a great day to take forward Nehru's dream in education of the children so that they can be valuable citizens of the nation. Thank you.
Well, my name is Anushka Singh and I'm studying in 8th E. Okay, so these are some of my drawings that I draw like yesterday or months ago. So here.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Morning, ma'am. I am Shah Roshni from 7th F. Good morning to principal, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. Happy Children's Day to all my teachers, dear friends, and my classmates. Why is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru celebrated as Children's Day? I want to share my thoughts on this with all of you. In the United Nations Assembly, 20 November was officially dedicated as Children's Day, but in India, Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November as the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was chosen to be celebrated as Children's Day because of his love, affection toward children. He loved to play and talk with children. He always went to be surrounded by children. He had done hard work for the betterment of the children and youth of the country. Thank you, ma'am.
I think it's
Ma'am,
guitar
it's a
and related to music.
Ma'am, it's a kid. Like, yeah, K-pop songs.
Okay, very creative.
Ma'am, this is. I also like this.
Beautiful. Okay, so
Ma'am,
This some BTS youngest member John Jungkook. Ma'am,
okay, what's his name?
ma'am, Jungkook. Ma'am, he's Jungkook.
Okay.
contribution me of BTS. Ma'am, this is BTS leader Kim Namjoon.
Very good.
Seokjin and also worldwide handsome. This is sub rapper. It's called Min Yoongi.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is main dancer of BTS. Ma'am, जो मेरा favorite member है singer is ma'am वो
मैम मेरा फेवरेट है मैम नाम पर
this is mic of Jungkook. Take off.
तू तेरा मन परया बदल गया सारा वे तू मैनू छड्ड जाना गल्लां तेरियां तो लगदा है यारा वे मैथों तेरा मन भरिया गल्लां तेरियां तो लगदा है यारा गल गल ते शक कर दे एतबार जरा भी नहीं हम तेरी आँखियाँ च मेरे लिए प्यार जरा भी नहीं मेरा तो कोई है नी तेरे बिन, ले जाना किसी दा सहारा वे तू मैनू छड्ड जाना, गल्लां तेरियां तो लगदा ऐ यारा, काश ऐसा हो सकदा रब दे पेरी पे जांदी, तेरी जगह ते जानी मौत मैनू ले जांदी, जो तू न मिला मानेंगे वो दहलीज नहीं होती, रब नाम की यारा यहाँ कोई चीज नहीं होती, हो रब ओनू खो लैंदे जेड़ा होवे ओनू जान तो प्यारा, मैनू छड्ड जाना। मैम थोड़ा और रह रहा है।
Respected teachers and my friends, my name is Piyush Raj Singh and I'm from class 8th. In the occasion of Children's Day, I'm just gonna show my some paintings. इसको ही थोड़ा सा मॉडिफाई कर दिया, लाइक मैम
अच्छा
ये नॉर्मल सा है मैम, जैसे कि बिना मॉडिफिकेशन का, एंड मैंने इसे थोड़ा सा modify करा है।
नहीं नहीं क्लियर है बेटा
और
क्लियर है
मैम इसे
वेरी
मैं थोड़ा सा मैम मॉडिफाई कर दिया अपने हिसाब से, क्योंकि मुझे मॉडिफिकेशन काफी अच्छी लगती है।
Afternoon, teachers and my dear friends. I am Kritika Singh. On this great occasion, I am going to present a song. Well, can I start? No. You're in a kingdom. I can feel you fade away from the kitchen to the bathroom sinking. Your steps keep me awake. Don't cut me down, throw me out, leave me here to wait. Once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of a cool embarrass. So please, could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down. Oh, then I'll be so lonely. If you leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Ghosts can drag my feet on the towel as I'm walking through the corridor, and now I know we haven't talked in a while. So I'm looking for an open door. Don't call me down, throw me out, please. Please don't think you're the man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the sky. So embarrassed, so please. Could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down. No, then I'll be so lonely. If you leaving, baby, let me down slowly. And I can stop myself from falling down. And I can stop myself from falling down. And I can stop myself from falling down. And I can stop myself from falling down.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Arjuna Kalita of class 8A. Greet you all on the occasion of Children's Day. As we all know that Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year to mark the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, who had a great affection towards the children. But it means much more than that. It is the day when we remind ourselves the importance of caring the children. We celebrate this day with a wisdom to enrich the sense of responsibility towards the children to make them good citizens. Children are our future nation. We can make our nation the way we like by molding the children of our country in that way. Children are like mirrors. We also must remind ourselves that millions of children in our country are still deprived of proper food, shelter, and good education. Despite the continuous efforts during the more than 7 decades of independence, India is still striving to provide the basic uh, amenities to the children. The people of our country must think over it and act to help children in becoming contributors for a healthy and strong India.
Anyway, I, on behalf of my family, can congratulate our respected teachers for their selfless efforts to make us a citizen of future India. Thank you. And I also want to show a Jawaharlal Lal painting. So
Afternoon, ma'am, and my dear principal, ma'am. Today I am presenting a poetry. The title name is Children's Day. Let us lift up the children we love today. Let us lift up the children we have met. Let us lift up the promise in each small heart of the children we don't know yet. Let us lift up the children with families. Let us lift up the children alone. Let us lift up the children with voice strong. Before all of these children are grown. Let us lift up the children who work in fields and the children at school and play. Let us lift our world's children together. Let us lift up all children, I pray. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, very
एक गुलाब ही सब पुष्पों में इनको लगता प्यारा, भारत माँ का लाल था ये, सबसे ही था ये न्यारा, सारे जग को पाठ पढ़ाया शांति और अमन का, भारत माँ का मान बढ़ाया, था ये ऐसा लाल चमन का, था ये ऐसा लाल चमन का।
Afternoon everyone. I am Ria from class 8th and today I am going to present a speech on the count of Children's Day in front of you. First of all, I wish you a very happy Children's Day. Children's Day, which is celebrated on the account of the birth of Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru on 14th November every year. It is a great joy for all children, as we all know that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru used to love children a lot. But why? This is because children are not only the future of our country, but also they are the raw pots which can be molded in any shape. It is often said that children are very innocent and crystal hearted, and this is why not only Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru but everyone has a special space in their heart for children. Not only children, but childhood is also a special period of life for all of us. And on this sentence, I want to present some lines in front of you. बचपन है ऐसा खजाना, आता है ना जो दोबारा, मुश्किल है इसको भुलाना, बेफिक्र होकर वो खेलना कूदना और खाना. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru raised many campaigns and programs for better education of children. But still, there are many children in our country who cannot even afford better education or not afford food. But our government is running many campaigns and programs for these children to provide better education facilities to them, because as I said previously, they are the future of our country which need to be better and beautiful. But in this speech of Children's Day, I cannot forget to take names of our respective parents and teachers who always motivate us to grow better and better. Our parents who give us birth and manners. Also, they taught us to stay in discipline. On other hand, our teachers who always treated us like our second parents. They taught us everything we need to know, and because of them, we are going to create a better future for our country. Thanks to our all teachers, and a special thanks to our parents. And with this, I want to end my speech. Hope you liked it. Thank you, and once again, a very, very happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Right before a storm, hear the sirens. Lightning in the clouds, streak of death.
I want to show this picture.
Very good, Anjali. Very good. Everyone,
Your old friend Kritika Singh. Today, on this occasion, I am going to present a magic show. Can I start now?
okay, magic show.
Here I have a jar. इसमें प्योर वाटर है, इसमें कोई भी कुछ वो नहीं है, मतलब कोई भी कलर वगैरह या फिर कुछ चीज हो, कुछ भी नहीं है ऐसी वाली से। फोकस। As you all can see that इसका कलर चेंज हो गया है।
Excuse me, ma'am.
ये रेड कलर का हो गया थोड़ा। I have a jar. अब मैं इसमें कुछ पानी को करूंगी पोर। मैम अब जो मैंने इसमें जो वाटर को पोर करा था, इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू आइस। Ma'am, now can I show my third magic?
Yes.
Here is an envelope. मैंने इस 10 रुपीज के नोट को इस एनवेलप में रख दिया है। अब मैं इस एनवेलप को कट करूंगी। बट 10 रुपीज के नोट को कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। नाउ माय फोर्थ मैजिक है। मेरे पास एक 10 रुपीज का नोट है। आप चाहे तो इसका सीरियल नंबर लिख सकते हैं, नोट कर सकते हैं।
दिख नहीं रहा, नीचे करो थोड़ा।
मैं इस नोट को एक एनवेलप में डालूंगी। मैं इस नोट को डाल रही हूँ। पहले मैं इसे स्टिक कर देती हूँ, मतलब एनवेलप को स्टिक कर देती हूँ। नोट एनवेलप के अंदर है। मैंने से कुछ भी नहीं किया। अब मैं इस एनवेलप को बंद कर दूंगी। मैंने उस एनवलप को बर्न कर दिया, मैं उसे यहाँ पे रख देती हूँ। अब मेरे पास एक ऑरेंज है, मैं इसे कट करूंगी। As you all can see कि वो जो एनवलप है वो जल चुका है, उसके अंदर का नोट नहीं है, तो मैंने आपको पहले ही दिखा दिया था। That is a note. अगर मैंने इस नोट को इस ऑरेंज के अंदर डाल दिया है, तो मैं इसका सीरियल नंबर आपको बता सकती हूँ, जैसे कि आप लोगों ने नोट करा था।
वेरी
7534। हाँ 7534, आप सभी देख सकते हैं।
गुड, वेरी गुड।
Children's Day is celebrated on 14th of November in India to mark the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of independent India. Jawaharlal Nehru was very fond of children and believed that children are future of national. May programs of organized in schools and colleges across the country to celebrate Children's Day. The students participate in the culture function based on Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. We celebrate Children's Day with great happiness and joy. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Parul from class 8th. So happy Children's Day to all of you. So I'm gonna sing something on the Children's Day. So let's start it. जय हो शंकरा, आदिदेव शंकरा, तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह। मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने, क्या बुरा है क्या भला। तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आँख मूंद के चला।
जो तूने सारा हर लिया तमस मेरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा, जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा। सृष्टि के जन्म से भी पहले तेरा वास था, ये जग रहे या ना रहे, रहेगी तेरी आस था। क्या समय क्या प्रलय, दोनों में तेरी महानता महानता महानता। सीपियों की ओट में मोतियां हो जिस तरह, मेरे मन में शंकरा तू बसा है उस तरह। मुझे भरम था जो है मेरा था कभी नहीं मेरा, अर्थ क्या निरर्थ क्या जो भी है सभी तेरा। तेरे सामने है झुका, मेरे सर पे हाथ रख तेरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा, जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा। पे भस्म है भुजाओं में, वस्त्र बाग बाग छाल का है खड़ा है पाँव में। प्यास क्या और तुझे, गंगा है तेरी जटाओं में जटाओं में जटाओं में। दूसरों के वास्ते तू सदैव ही जिया, मांगा कुछ कभी नहीं, तूने सिर्फ है दिया। समुद्र मंथन का था समय जो आ पड़ा, द्वंद्व दोनों लोग में विषामृत पे था छेड़ा। अमृत सभी में बांट के प्याला विष का तूने खुद पिया। नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा, जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा। Thank you so much everyone to watch this.